another day with you. 'Cause you are enough 1,000 times enough.
Honestly speaking, what is going on? I don't like it.
What is going on?
Yeah, Shubhana start down it, I don't like it because I think she's being suspicious and she knows right now. You and I dating and I said we are doing something at her back. I am mistaken by her this thing happening. You know why so they say we couldn't control ourselves. Let me say it like that. So they say, I know you weren't that ready for it and it didn't happen. But me so me pese be ade ase me nipa ho na me de ntete eba nwie mu ana se busu. Nti amam.
Are you for real?
100% for real.
Did I hear you say a mistake?
No. Me sorry, sir.
Don't tell me you're sorry.
No, just calm down. Calm down. It's me like me sorry for this. We were out of control and it did happen. Me crying, I never thought sir. We say better, so I'm making a whole lot. Say, should in case your mommy find it out, what am I going to do?
Stana.
Yes, dear.
Insisting all calm and saying.
Me, in Bonnet, I'm just overthinking here.
Overthinking about what?
Your sister, so no.
Stana. It's not just a wood shrimp. Or dry and a friend or Donna now catching me now.
No, it's true.
And sure, now will try me.
No, I'm not lying to you, but situation at hand, sister. I said, or try to be an obstacle.
How is she trying to be an obstacle?
But look at yesterday. What happened after?
Only name me hobby. So what happened?
Me share the idea me and me but me name.
Stana, Mrs. Teka when you me, Michina when you defend you. I have showed you nothing but love. And I would not catch me say it was a mistake.
I'm talking about.
Stana, let me finish. Oh, come and I say. I dear me ma keep it for so many years. And I protected my virginity. I just gave it to you like it was nothing. And dear me mommy, and then me anka sabo mobile for so long. What's na catch me say a mistake. Stana.
Calm down.
Tisana out here.
No.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry. I do love you. And I will not stop loving you. That word mistake na me you see, you know. I'm putting it off. Make us me.
Oh, I'm not getting things clear.
If
Stand and do that so when you do
no, if you no.
Then why is she becoming the obstacle?
No,
I didn't know no better to me no
like me
like what? Huh?
If you could hey, Kafra, no, don't hurt. I'm here for us to do this, but team situation now. Me can't see some na me can say. I said me nim the menye and me nim because
Stana, so I should be clapping for you. I shouldn't be hurt.
No.
If the idea I'm about who buying for almost more than 20 years, I'm now catching me say. Stana,
No.
Are you even hearing your own self?
And I'm right now and me can me no cause me nim some make.
And then what for baby or for me because as I'm okay into a CB cramponim. Stana.
Forget about your sister. I love you, okay? Forget about your sister. No, if you come here. Forget about your sister. I love you. I'm sorry, I love you, okay? I love you. So, right now, what if mommy find out or what?
I love you, and that's what matters. I don't care about anyone else. Me mami o, me nyo, why you, me info obi an bi. Stana, please don't do this to me. I beg you.
Fine. I will not hurt you, okay? I don't think so. My dad I did always know. Okay. I love you. Come here.
Stana. Message Ben what is coming to say. Na just say the one me ka wo ho na, o ka che me say, uni masama wo ka no, na just say no kre. What's that testing me the same message saying jai? Stana boni be na me dia ye o. Boni a me dia ye o no kana me mpa wa che o. Stana wa hu ni mo do a me do. Me sister ne wo kwa na me gina wachi. Me be fi ade na Stana me nyama wo. Oh, o ka che me say wo do me. Wash me ham, I made me virginity ama wawie. What's go so the test me say a mistake? What is the mistake in this, Stana? What is the mistake in this? See, ufisa me mpewa anka na me yema ofie nyina anka me yama. Until fine, a mistake into me moving on. Means I go for be my foforo no ne minda. No so nka say a mistake. Then I move on to the next person. Aden Stana. Stana nti de me yema ofie nyina wani so. Aden.
I don't know when you're to Boasia now. What is going on?
And to Boasia by Naminya mouth. There we any effect. What make us on top of my voice? If you come, Mrs. Stana, my baby. I don't know where Stana.
That's why I still keep you mute.
Dear, who ye made her keep you mute? Eh? Dear, who ye me abofra? Me abofra so I catch me say will draw me. Now, in few days later, I was catch me say the minute what happened here, what we said was a mistake. How dare you, Stana? How dare you?
I don't know what I'm passing through right now.
What are you passing through? It's my sister again, right? No. What that's so penal? It's not I say you're passing through a lot.
No, it's not about your sister.
Then tell me. Come with you.
Look at me. Can we be compatible?
Why can't we?
This one, what I've been asking myself. Me, Fabi and I say me kabibina me ye be bichewa. It's not say me pemo, but it's a whole lot. I'm thinking about your mom, what she's going to say, what
that should be none of your business. It should be none of your business. I am me ne won't tell myself. It's no cause I will drag me my name sister Ben and so what? And to be catch a mamma say won't na me person me no warrior. Me mamma be some kwanya na say. Stana, don't try to calm me down.
No. Calm down. Calm down.
Stana, get away and many in jail. I don't know where this
I'm sorting out things and all is going to be well, okay?
When? I'm not even complaining. When is everything going to be fine?
2 or 3 days and you're doing blah blah blah. Just
because I love you. I know that was what I say. I love you.
I know you love me.
Do you think it was easy giving my virginity?
Don't say that. Don't be saying this. What if say sister S talking? So what are you even? I
don't care about her feelings anymore. Osi on pel. Me am it nas in any kasai severally or ignore you. Today baby him. E de baby him. O pe wan ka do you e yo fi anko de be your Stana.
Go inside. Sit down. It's okay. I'll come to your room. We're going to talk about this.
Talk about what? Let's talk it here.
No.
I want it here. Let's talk it here.
I don't want it here.
Stana. Good day. This sister tried to like how they capture me. I don't know what you're saying. Stana, me try already try now. You say try me. I think I wouldn't play a victim.
You don't know what you mean to me. You don't know what you mean to me.
I mean nothing to you. With the things you're doing there, it tells me I mean nothing.
Yes.
And I did your ones,
Sir. I mean, I'm saying the open.
or say yes, when
Sir.
but one when I do so young as
well. First, will be any so.
Do a boy, dear.
It means when you're so man. Oh, that.
Let me you may know some answer and so.
Ah, makes me for being to so. Like me the mouse and your host me price in
the
Oh, serious. Me, I mean,
I said, dear, me that junior who are no pepper as a bread.
I mean, the open. Me, mamma,
the original. The
woman, I did say in my home. What it means to me for being mouth.
Matia said, that's a balance the method, Miss Besson do.
Matia, they say,
I'm watching.
Yeah.
Bank by
Maximum.
Yes, I said,
oh, that be is about a day. Maiden.
Oh, a Jumano. Kajua.
Yeah.
Yes, maybe I'm in dear home.
Sir.
My dear home come up. Name the woman say. If you hang Cassana made you a had that. Now, Obia was soon, Mrs. Taiwa had that. Now. BBC won a crown or cries or quabba. No, boy, and as I watch it, ya chain our mother, your friend also cry and for all the grass in the network, dear. And to know, says it's here, so we're jive forever, so a best hand bow, said the end, no, you young find day out. And to see me beside no, son and Mrs. Tireding, a catcher me. But I may the sciences will be a man, so their own found placing for the meantime. See it me take. Made now quiet in Kana so better by fine all time by the answer you man by your dear. So my name is Sister Cassain ye paying to know. What am I bad 2 days being come on a shy because as I remember several quiet a pressure, debut the pressure because so say 1 4 being inside and to say I not miss I cried you baby. Sir. Adwa, did you mean? I doubt to. May you see found we
and found it here. May because many are bronze school 7 on me and I'm taking BB so I say me. My young son, I'm bet you must see a school and it's like 2 months being
okay. What you said me most cannot show business no. What about that? Because I think say no more better than say me say me am down for me so Mrs. Tana so me mama na on so me
made in Indian come and the science better scan so be
na joa so wuti we am me wuti say me that kasa adwa sense so mama adwa you say adwa man ready ani mama
me school na yen me
oh that school must be different all the guy me senior was school na order me around and I me order around and no
made media found need you be back bet me also me and
they say him back who pesca na pe made
scanning your bag and I made news on your bag
no dey oya na me wow
card scanning your bag na made news on your bag being scanning
who be tuning it so
oh madam akoyen card here
hey ba ko na who come you no boss so dey made
once right now aka 2 months near B school so scanning your bag into nke bi anka di kan di scan ma me start business na. After that, no, I said made in the
chatters ni auntie so. Make us when you back on what's up, Kwanya, business chairs are coming.
They went on me
when in this car. Na best and ever boy.
Right now means me chabu amount, amount to be like
send it to desire.
You don't say to me.
Price and I mean who say oh
5,000 shame
5 dear. But I'm making 8,000 now. And I'm not going to take it back. You know how much I like you.
Like seriously.
Me you pin crème feel. Just fashion you many na entimin cause we ya who make crayons for me say oh if ya mama say and mama say. So what I say. You know, what if you many weekend do it. Me send them on now started there for 20 years.
What's my idea? Like me who be that?
And yes, any fancy you
then.
But they jadi out channel.
But still now said the made in which mama. And also yes after school yes I'm
go jail why? Now one got so far never bet na ha.
Hey, they had a meet to me.
Why did you
make some permission and sign
Mati? What am Mati? Me said the maid no juma. Na the one who see face ke.
Oh. So me fro.
Auntie I don't know. My time mama me put for correct ones pa mama dey am.
Hey, to me forward do different ones so they are.
Yes, madam. Oh, madam. But we are always in this house, so how can you just say? No. When I came here, you gave me the... No, please.
See, I am ready. I'm ready to do anything for you.
Anything like
whatever you have always wanted.
No, I do respect the distance between us, and you know you created a barrier, so I don't want to just penetrate or break that barrier, please.
Listen, I am this really.
No, with all due respect, please. You see, I'm just a servant. So how can I say?
Stop talking like that.
No, please. You said it. So how can a servant be sleeping with his mother?
This is what you've always wanted. Eh?
That was then.
No.
We were seeing me from tomorrow, me didn't prepare, so I don't want to.
Are you kidding me? Okay, fine. I made up my mind to send you some money.
No, I'm okay. Trust me, I'm 100% up. I told a friend to send me money this morning, so I got that later.
Are you for real?
Yeah, I'm being real.
You don't like my money?
No, it's not sad, me pussycat. I mean, not me pussycat, but a friend just sent me money, 2,000 cedis.
I can't give you 5K.
I'm okay. Trust me, I'm okay.
Wow.
So please, can I leave?